Going on, ladies and germs? We are headed downtown Toronto today for the air show. And up in front of me you can see the CN Tower. There's a good view of all the high rises downtown. We are just east of the city here. So yeah, beautiful day, nice and cool. It's about 24, 25 degrees today. Perfect riding weather. But yeah, beautiful shot of downtown Toronto, guys. I've never really showed you stuff like this before. I probably should start doing more of this stuff. And I'm on the MV Augusta today, so I'm just meeting up with my buddy, and yeah, we're gonna go watch some jets and stuff fly over. So stay tuned, guys. All right, just stopped for a quick little bite at. Actually, I stopped to grab the Wendy's burger. Actually. It's about 11, quarter after 11 or so, and I haven't had breakfast yet, so get a little bit of food in the belly here for the day. And yeah, on a side note, guys, I'm trying something new with the MV Augusta. I've been trying a ceramic spray on the bike. It's like a spray on, let it kind of cloud up, and then kind of wax it off, essentially. Hopefully the camera can do it justice. I don't know, what do you think? It looks pretty good. It shines it up really good. Black, as you know, is pretty hard to actually keep clean. So with the ceramic wax, I'm hoping to try to keep as much dirt, like the just sliding off it, as possible. But I see a noticeable difference in the tone of the paint and the cleanliness of the bike. So let me know what you think, guys. I'll get you a little bit of footage of the huge city of Toronto. I think it's number 3 or number 4 in the world, or in North America. I guess one of the largest cities in North America. I think we're number 3. I think we passed Chicago, but it is a pretty big city, guys. Lots of skyscrapers and lots of stuff going on. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, slight detour. Half the road is closed down here, but we're down on the waterfront. This is the Toronto waterfront, just east of the city. It's like, I guess they call it the Portlands area. A lot of industry stuff here, new high-rise and stuff going in. But you can still see where we are in relation to the CN Tower. We're coming back north again and headed west. But yeah, waterfront's really cool, guys. I haven't showed you guys any of this stuff before, so cool little spot, little patio over there. And we're going to be going underneath the lakeshore here in a minute. Like, traffic is just so slow through here. I've already whipped a couple lanes to kind of get ahead of some of these cars, but man, it's slow going here. And here we go under the famous Gardner Expressway. This is awesome, guys, under here. I love it. Nice and cool on a hot day, and yeah, nice and cool on a hot day, and it's really cool under here, guys. Like, I love it. It gives the bike a nice echo. It's not very smooth though, it's a little bumpy. We got another fellow rider on an R3 by the looks of it. Good to go, man. So believe it or not, guys, they've been wanting to tear this this thing down for years. But if they ever tore this thing down, there's a major highway that runs above us here, at least 4 lanes, if I'm not mistaken, maybe 6 lanes. If they ever tear this down, it is going to cause a traffic nightmare here in Toronto. They are already working on some of the ramps, but yeah, like one little accident, one little road closure in Toronto, and traffic becomes a nightmare. Oh yeah, love it, love it, love it. Got to be careful we don't get in the wrong lane here, because one lane's going to turn left, and and we don't really want that lane. So you kind of got to know where you're going here. Figured that guy was going to lane split the whole way up. So anyways guys, yeah, let's get some thoughts on what you think about lane splitting versus lane filtering. So when cars are stopped, this is what I call lane filtering. I have no problem with this being allowed. I have no problem with this being allowed at all, because essentially it eliminates the bikes from traffic and it puts the rider in a safer position, if you ask me. As far as lane splitting, like if all these cars were moving and you were splitting up the lane, I see that as pretty dangerous, guys. Like one car doesn't see you, you pull out and you're done. You're done. So yeah, that's my stance on it, guys. Lane filtering, yes. Lane splitting, no. I mean, the rules are different everywhere. Put some thoughts and comments in the video on what you think or on your stance on it, and let's have a discussion about it, guys. Alright guys, we're just pulling into Ontario Place, and just like everything else in the city of Toronto, it's an absolute shit show. You've got two lanes of cars coming in, you got cars trying to make a left, cars trying to cut across traffic. It's an absolute shit show. The infrastructure and the way things are laid out in Toronto is not that great, and it just causes traffic jams all the time, everywhere. And this is another perfect example. Like, I'm roasted. I'm sitting here on the bike and it's hot. When the Orange Air Ambulance helicopters is coming in, the air show's about to start. It's going to be right over the skies here, right on the lake shore. So it's going to be pretty cool, guys. You don't want to miss it. $30. $30 to fucking park here at Ontario Place for an air show. This is typical Toronto rip-off shit, too. This is why I moved out of this city. It's bullshit. Like, I'm gonna see if they have a discount rate for motorcycles. I guarantee they do not. So let's see here. Better get my old debit card out. Good thing I got paid this week. You gotta cut off your arm to pay for parking. It's ridiculous. Do you have a discounted rate for motorcycles? Do you have a different rate for motorcycles? Sorry?
It's the same rate, sorry.
Shouldn't be, but maybe you want to talk to your boss about that. I take up like a fraction of the space of what a car does, right? So it should be proportional to that. No, there's no way. No, how? How am I supposed to do that? Well, it's a motorcycle. What am I supposed to do? This isn't my problem. This is your guys' problem. And what if somebody takes it off my dash? Right?
You have to,
I'll take a picture of it and make sure if somebody takes it off my dash, too bad. I don't even know where to stick it. Thanks. Well, I guess this is the parking spot, guys. Like, you might as well park as close as you can. Like, they don't have any motorcycle parking. She's like, oh, can you stick this on your bike as proof of... I'm like seriously? Like, it's so stupid. What if somebody decides to pull it off my mirror? You know? So I guess I'm gonna have to take a picture of the receipt just to prove to them that, yeah, like I did pay for parking. Alright, let's go get some planes and shit. Alright guys, here is the F35. I can't really see it on my phone. I hope I'm getting it.
Shit, it is. Oh my god. Look at that.
Fucking plane is upside down. It's coming right over again. Just a couple people down here for the air show today, guys. Nothing to see, nothing to see, nothing to see. Nobody here. And guess what? No mass. Oh, I lost them in the sun. No, I can still see them. My camera can see them. I can't see them, but my camera can. These are the Canadian Snowbirds, guys. Canadian Snowbirds. Here they come.
Sick! You see is Maserati and F-22 fighter jets everywhere.
All right, guys, that's the air show. I'm headed back out of the city. We'll give you another quick shot of the city on the way out. There's the CN Tower right there. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Peace out.